Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix password is incorrect on your iPhone. But in reality it's correct and your iPhone saying that it's incorrect. So how can you fix it? Just simply close the Wi-Fi and then you have to open it again. And then you have to wait for a while and check if your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is there, then what you need to do is just simply open this icon and then you have to scroll it down from here, and then you have to tap on configure DNS, and from here you have to tap on manual, and you have to tap on save, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then you have to tap on automatic again and then go back, and from there what you need to do is just simply tap on forget this network again, tap on forget this network, and then you have to re-enter the password, and then you have to rejoin and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply restart your iPhone, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to scroll it down, and then you have to tap on general, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and then you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have to tap on reset, and from here you have to reset all your network setting. So from here you have to put your phone passcode, and then you have to tap on reset network setting to confirm the process. So after reset network setting, then you have to restart your phone, and then again you have to rejoin it. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.